your experience working on the Illusioner calendar?
It's great working actually, and working with actually such a good photographer, with Runa, with Amit, and such a great team. Like Victor is there, Karan Academy who has done my makeup. So yeah, so first of all, I want to talk about the concept also. The concept which Illusion is portraying is a unique concept, showing the emotions of a man, which usually in the normal world we people ignore it. So yeah, this calendar in different month, you will get to see different emotions of a man, which normally we don't get to see.
What is the emotion that you depict in the calendar?
I am portraying the emotion of being scared, fear, and with actually, you know what? In normal world also, I'm kind of very expressive person, being in front of the camera, being behind the camera. So for me, getting scared is a normal thing. I'm usually very scared of a lot of things. I am scared of darkness. I'm fear of being alone. I had a fear of being alone. So अभी आज fear proper मिलेगा तुमसे. Yeah.
तो ये कैलेंडर के लिए कैसे शुरुआत हुई, कैसे अप्रोच हुआ, कैसे पूरा?
So me and Runa connected over social media, and then she explained me the concept, which I really liked in the first place only. And then that's how we got connected. And then she told me Amit is shooting it, and I also wanted to work with Amit since a long time. And now today finally, before the end of this fabulous year 2020, I'm shooting with Amit. Yeah.
How was your experience working with Amit?
It's actually great, and it's quite fast with Amit. Quite. Sorry, we have to
still be
I
in
know,
the shot,
but-
but yeah.
देखो मैं बीच में इधर उधर देखा चलो let's ask it again.
How was the experience working with Amit?
With Amit, it's actually great. You know what? शुरुआत होते ही मतलब he told me already कि उसको क्या चाहिए और मुझे पता कि what he does he wants. So it was quite a fast shoot. फट हुआ, and then I know जो भी output आने वाला है वो कमाल का ही होगा. So you all will love it.
What about your upcoming project?
Upcoming project is next month. I had shot for a web show last year, and this little bit this year also. So next month is gonna come. It's gonna come in Hotstar. So you all will see. You get to know more about it in a week's time. Maybe.
Best wishes to your viewers for 2021.
Guys, have a happy new year. 2020 भूल जाओ, 2021 का वेट करो और कभी 2020 याद मत करना. And yeah, happy new year to you.
And last word for Illusioner.
Last word.
नहीं, first मतलब it should be there throughout the year, no? As you're there.
Yeah.
So कुछ बोलो अच्छा.
So about illusion or
About the calendar, Illusioner.
मुझे तो
यार please
बोल तो दूंगा मैं वो तो उससे भी टेंशन बट
Frame the question.
I'm just frame
Frame
it.
a
नहीं just frame it यदि बीच में कट करके दो.
So what do you?
As I said, this concept is really good, and like ऐसे concept कहीं पे देखने को शायद ही मिलेंगे. Because जितने भी calendars आपने देखे हैं अभी आज तक वो सब बिकनी में लड़कियाँ होंगी किंगफिशर कैलेंडर टाइप. And this calendar is totally about man and how they are portraying different emotions. So yeah, me being a part of it is like I also wanted to do this kind of shoot, which I can portray not only just the posing things, but the actual emotions which I can portray over in front of the camera. So yeah, I think it's really great to be part of Illusion, and I would want you all to appreciate it when it comes out.
Okay, so I feel that the concept of the calendar is something which needs to, really reach out to a lot of people. And Rohan is somebody who has a lot of following. He's like a great voice that we can have to reach out to a lot of his fans. So, इसलिए I feel कि first of all he's extremely sweet, like you all have already seen, and he looks great, and he'll be a very interesting face on the calendar. So working with him is an absolute pleasure. Even I have been wanting to, work with Rohan since a while, and I'm glad that this calendar has brought all of us together. So I'm sure that you're going to like the picture that's going to come out. Yeah.
Runa, your experience of having him on board.
So yeah, so I was looking for a good face, for the calendar, and then I knew few of the celebrities who were referring the Rohan's name. So I went to his profile and I said, okay, let me message him and ask him. and he took 2 days to reply. And then he comes up and asks me what's the concept. I sent him the concept, but he was very sweet. Came back to me instantly that yes, I am on, because he loved the concept, what I told him about. And he has been very patient with us, because ups and downs in the shoots happen, and we kept cancelling the shoot, and we were back, and then again he had gone out. And then I was telling him today, in fact, that you were not available and we had to keep today as his day.
Actually, unfortunately, I got down with COVID,
Yeah.
and our shoot had to get rescheduled. And I think he was extremely cooperative.
Yeah. And in fact, in his BDS also, he mentioned that he's a very calm guy. He never gets angry. So I was just testing his patience today.
No, you won't. You won't get to see my anger.
So yeah, I'm really happy and thrilled to have him on board, and thank you so much for being there with us.
Thank you so much to you guys.